homie's back, dude. Yeah, I love that dog. We got some stuff to finish up today, and we're gonna do it with some friends, so it should be pretty fun. And dude, yes, I love vlogging in my street. Yes, I want everyone to know I have a YouTube channel. Yes. Well, we got to switch back to our disgusting 91 octane tune because I don't have any ethanol stations near me at all. So, oh, sick. A little bit of rust already.
Bitch, I'm made for this shit. This ain't that shit. I don't even know the words. I'm facing but I'm feeling amazing. Thank God every day that baby. Yes! Are you kidding me?
Paul, hype me up.
You can do it.
Paul, hype me up. Lightweight. Lightweight. Ow. Oh, that's not the last one. No. I don't want to have to
blow my arms out.
On my shoulder feels like it. Is there a way to extend this? This is for short people. Look at my fucking arms. Is 150? Lightweight! Ow! Damn, that's crazy. Sit down with 150 pounds and curl it, you fucking idiot.
Stop, I'm trying to get pumped up for the vid so they think I'm big. Look, it's 10 pounds.
Ball hit. Ball hit. All right, so as you can see, we're at Paul's place with a bunch of friends. Actually, there's only 2 of them. We're installing these brakes. They've been sitting in my car for a long, long time, and we're gonna try and do it in 100-degree heat. Wish us luck, baby. We're starting the install. Paul's getting a little bit too excited. He's putting my key on for me. Paul, stop.
It's a 12 point.
Stop.
But we don't care.
That went all the way off. Not supposed to do that, so. You see how much I'm sweating right now, by the way? It's unreal. I look insane, dude. It's not too late. It's never too late.
It's not too late. It's never too late.
Everything's
Can you at least just show me how to log it then?
I don't, it's not mine. No, twist it.
Paul, get it together.
You don't have it together.
Dear Diary, today I had so much fun working on Griffin's brakes.
I don't know what these are called right here, but we're doing this thing where you got 2. You got my heart, my mind.
We just can't get this wrench. Like, see how we can't get it in there because it's too fat. So we need something that's thinner.
Why does this feel like it's not on all the way? It is. Oh, okay, cool. So I'm trying to turn this thing, and this bolt you're supposed to hold with another wrench. We don't have that size, so it's just kind of like spinning freely. Not good. It's also 100 degrees out. For me, at least, everyone else seems to be just fine, but I'm dying, so yay. Give me a shop towel.
You're gonna have to deal with.
Step 1.
Don't.
You go the wrong way.
No,
No, you're not. I was like, yo.
Get I hate working on cars with you.
Paul, wiggle,
Paul. Wiggle.
Get angry.
Paul, get that back. Get angry.
Get angry.
Workout mode. Ooh. Monkey. Ooh. Nice. Yeah, dude. Yeah, baby.
Dude,
Show that. Show that. This is what I've been working with for the last. Dude, that's unreal. How bad is
Just
that?
reinstall, we're good.
Yeah, baby. Woo. Daddy, I'm sorry. Oh. Got my heart on my mind.
where's the new rotor?
What are we getting off? The caliper bracket.
What am I, a parts boy now? I thought I did my time.
You leave these outside or what?
Already.
No? Yeah.
Ooh, monkey.
I hit.
Hey, dude, don't hit the fucking studs. Oh my fucking god. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, so this thing came off. Looks super fucking jank. Look at the lip on that thing. That's how bad it's been. And now we're putting on Hot Boy from Whoosh. This is their upgraded rotor. They're slotted with J's, I guess. The stopping power is impeccable, damn it. It's gonna be linked in the description with a 5% discount using code GriffinB. Oh. Yes, dude.
7 degrees has never felt so hot.
Yeah. We got EBC brakes. These are EBC yellow stuff. They're like street track spec. They're not full track spec, I guess, but they definitely will do the job. So we're gonna get these things on. Yeah, let's get the fan over here. Yeah. Oh, that's so much better. All right, let's get these things on. All right, so we cannot compress the caliper for so we're gonna have to run to Oreillys, which is my favorite thing to do when I work on my car. I like to start. I like to get a little bit through, just a little bit, and then I gotta go all the way down to Oreillys. So me and Wafer, we're heading down there in the Subi, and we're probably gonna hit a flat foot? No, flat foot. All right, so we got a C-clamp. They didn't have any brake piston caliper separator thing, so hopefully this thing works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. We went to Oreillys, and the guy at the counter was like, "Oh, is it a caliper that twists in or one that compresses?" We were like, "Never heard of a fucking piston that twists." Guess what, baby? It is. It's the one that twists. So we've been at it with a C. Give me the C clamp, and I don't have the receipt, but it's just completely useless. So hey, this could only have a good laugh. So we're gonna try and figure out how to twist this piston, which I've never heard of, and go from there. Went to Oreillys and got this thing. I don't even know how to use it. We used this last time. If you guys are changing your brakes on your the Fiestas, just remember, it's a spinny piston. Wow, that's crazy.
Is it turning?
Yeah. No.
Oh, me in the ass.
Yes, Daddy.
Slipped off.
I don't know how to put the brake pads in.
Bro,
Straight
let Daddy
up.
do it.
Can you just show me how to do it? I do want to do this.
I don't
want you
to be completely honest, I haven't. I've never used.
Fucking for reals?
Woo!
Yeah.
Hello, there's more.
Yeah, Paul. Just press it.
I'm pressing so it goes into the hole. So you're doing it. Do it.
Yeah.
Not that bad, right? You just kinda gotta know.
Yeah.
Well, obviously if we knew the piston.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. All right, so
The camera works.
so we're done with the right side. Now we gotta do the left side. Woo-hoo!
3 hours later.
That was 3 hours.
We fumbled the bag about 4 times, and now we're gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna break it, and this side's gonna go a lot easier because we have the tools at least. That's
Right,
like
I bet
step
you can
one.
do this in 30 minutes.
You're f***ing wrong.
I want to publicly apologize to the Oreillys employee that I thought was stupid.
Yeah,
I guess
that was-
I'm stupid.
Claremont.
Oreillys.
Oreillys.
I'm genuinely sorry.
All right, so I'm pretty sure the right side's gonna go a lot better, but dude, look at this f***ing brake pad. Oh, dude.
Plenty of life.
Have you ever seen
Oh.
Oh, Paul.
Look at that, and straight through the fucking metal.
I know. I got the brakes on, like the last set on the left side took like 30 minutes, didn't take that long. I actually kind of figured it out, which is cool, with the help of the buddies, obviously. It's in, yeah, track time, baby.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude, track time. Hit it! Ryan, hit it!